Hi my loves, it's me Michelle Flores again and welcome back to my channel guys. So as you can see to my right eye I have blue eyeshadow and that's gonna be the video for today guys. So it's like a blue eyeshadow tutorial. So yes, if you guys want to see the how I did this, then just keep on watching. Alright, so first things first, I'll put this one. So this is eyeshadow that doesn't have a name. I think I bought this from the Philippines and it's brandless. Ganon ba yun? But yeah, so ito yung gagamitin ko, yung parang brown siya for my transition. Yeah, I have the mirror here. I already put concealer para so like the colors will stay a bit longer and it will pop up because that's what concealer do. So let's just blend. Alright guys, I'm done with my transition colors. So the reason why I put this, so, pasensya na, medyo messy siya, but the reason why I put this para clean yung eyeshadow natin, para hindi siya maging ma-extra na malagay mo sa baba or ano, para ito kasi ito make your eyeshadow look more precise and clean. So yan yung reason dyan. So now let's put blue eyeshadow. So So now let's put the blue eyeshadow. So ang gagamitin ko is that. I'm not sure if you can. There you go. That one. That. Kasi wala akong branded na eyeshadow, guys. So ito lang muna. But this has nice colors, like very colorful colors. That's why I choose this one. Because the rest of my eyeshadows, I don't have any like that kind of blue. So ito na lang. Don't worry, I'll be maybe bibili ako ng branded eyeshadow. Yung mga colorful din na, yung mga gagandang blue. Yeah. So let's put the blue. Hindi siya masyadong pigmented as usual kasi I don't know what brand it is. So guys, as you can see, hindi pa siya masyadong makulay like the other one. So what you need to do is, kuha kayo ng flat brush. Tapos yung flat brush nyo, i-wet nyo siya using your mist, using your setting spray, like what I use. Ni-spray ko lang siya, and then after that, wipe lang kasi medyo basa siya. Medyo. Yung lang parang hindi siya masyadong basa. So what I do is, so wet mo to siya ha, and then I'll put this there. So you will see the difference now guys pag nilagay ko na to siya. So wet brush. Medyo ano na siya guys. Dumidikit na siya. Hindi siya pantay masyado, but it's okay. See, medyo ano na siya, right? Yun lang yung technique dyan. Basain nyo lang. Pag hindi masyadong pigmented yung eyeshadows nyo, basain nyo lang siya. And then the color will pop out na. Ewan ko ba bakit, but that's the tea or technique sa mga hindi pigmented na eyeshadow. Oh, look! Kalang, I'll just do this one guys. So next step, maglagay tayo ng eyeliner. Liquid eyeliner guys. And for our lower lash line, let's just put the darker brown. Tapos dito. Alright, so let's curl our lashes. So now guys, let's put our lashes. Then the glue that comes with it. Ta-da! Easy! Ayan guys, so nilagay ko na yung isa. Let's just put highlighter to sa brow bone. So let's just put this BLK from Ann Curtis, the one in the middle. So the one in the middle is the highlighter and the other one's blush and the other one's contour. So let's just put the brow bone. Alright guys, I'm done with the rest of my makeup, my face makeup, but I'm still debating what lipstick should I use because I'm pretty sure nude would go good. So I'm thinking nude for my lips because I have a colorful eyeshadow. It's the best to go with it is nude. Okay, let's try this one. Ooh. Oh, like it. It's kind of like nude pink lipstick. It's from Vice. Yeah, I'll go with that. So, ayan guys, ito na yung nagawa kong look sa blue eyeshadow makeup ko. And, yeah, nagustuhan nyo ba? I like it. So, I like it. So, yung gamit kong sa lips ko pala is Vice Cosmetics. Yung lipstick nila. At then sa eyeshadows ko, ito lang yan. So, hindi ko alam. Sa Pilipinas ko pa to binili, guys. I'm not sure nung nag-work pa ako doon sa Pilipinas. Doon ko siya nabili. And I was like, basta. And anyways, so, sa foundation ko, as usual, MAC. Asan ba? Yan, MAC. And ito din, Pale Kai for my contour and my highlight. And lips, yeah, lips for, from Vice Cosmetics. And what else? Yeah, yun guys. What do you think? Alright, so yun na yun, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe to my channel. Just click the subscribe button down below. And then if you like the video, please also click thumbs up below as well. And yeah, and comment as well kung ano pa yung mga gusto niyo pagawa sa akin. So this is pretty much, wait, so ginawa ko tong blue eyeshadow makeup because one of my viewers sa YouTube, she said why not try blue eyeshadow. And so yes, this is the blue eyeshadow. I'll search her kasi sabi niya, ika lang, ano ba yung name niya? Ika lang, hanapin ko lang. Sino ba yun? Yes, this one. So, her YouTube name is p-rin Rakanako. So she said, "You are cute. Please try wear super blue extra long nail makeup challenge video." So yeah, so she said wear super blue, but like this one's kind of just like lighter blue. But then yeah, I did it anyway. So thank you, Perin Rakanako. Thank you so much for commenting or suggesting kung anong for my another like makeup look. So yun guys, if you want me to see another makeup look na gusto nyong ipagawa sa akin, then just comment down below like Parent Tanap Mapong said. So yeah, I just did her request. So thank you so much, and yun na yun guys. Thank you guys so much for watching on this video, and please like the video if you like this look. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!